Okay, I'm here this morning to advise that on the Friday the 18th of June this year, just after 5 o'clock, an 84-year-old male was hit on a pedestrian crossing on Brigalow Street in Lyneham. He suffered significant injuries as a result of that collision, and yesterday, unfortunately, he passed away in Canberra Hospital. That's the 6th fatality on Canberra's roads this year. To put that in context, we only had 6 altogether in 2020. So from our perspective, 1 is too many, but having 6 already this year is quite concerning for us. There was only 1 person in the vehicle. The female driver has been spoken to by police and has been advised that we are looking at charging her with negligent drive causing death, and she will appear in the ACT Magistrates Court at a date to be fixed.
How old was the driver?
He was 84.
The driver was...
Oh, so my apologies. The driver was 62.
What sort of car?
I don't have those details on hand. We're obviously investigating the circumstances in relation to the collision, including the weather, whether or not alcohol and drugs was a factor, and so forth. So our investigations are still ongoing. However, we are looking at charges in relation to the driving behaviour.
You've mentioned drugs and alcohol. Is that a likely outcome? Is that sort of on the cards?
Well, these are the factors that we look at for all collisions, but as you can well imagine, some of the investigations are of a technical nature in relation to speed, etc. So once we've finalised our investigations, we'll be looking at charges as appropriate.
Can you tell us any more about the man who's died?
He was a local. And his family have obviously been notified, and the thing about these collisions is that they're not just the people that are involved. It radiates out into the community. Both the driver and the victim have families and they have friends, and all of those people are adversely affected by this. And there's no winners out of situations like this. It's a community issue. And the other thing I would like to ask is that if anybody was a witness to the collision or has anything else that will assist us with our inquiries, please contact Crime Stoppers on the Crime Stoppers number, please. And the other thing, obviously, we need to say is slow down and be really careful on the roads, particularly at the moment. The roads are slick and the weather's pretty poor. We just need people to start looking out for each other on the roads.